Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.2 question number 2. Here you see question number 2 is convert the given decimal fractions to percents. Number A is 0.65, 0.65, that is equal to 0.65, that means 65 divided by 100. If it convert into percent, you have to multiply it by 100%. 100%. And that comes to this 0, this 0, this 0 and this 0. That is equal to 65%. Is equal to 65%. Number B is 2.1. 2.1 can be written as 21 by 10 into 100%. This 0 and this should be cut. Therefore, we are getting 210%. We are getting 210%. Now C is 0.02. C is equal to 0.02. That is equal to 2 divided by 100 into 100%. Into 100%. Then this 0 will cut, this 0 will be cut, and we will get 2%. 2%. Question number D is 12.35. Question number D is 12.35. 12.35. 12.35. That will be equal to 1235 divided by 100 into 100%. Into 100%. That comes to this 0 will cut, this 0 will cut, and you are getting 1235%. 1235%, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.